Serafina invited me to her sailboat to watch the July 4th fireworks. I'm Shannon Morris, by the way. Hello, welcome to my channel. So I am going to share with you my experience hanging out on a sailboat, watching fireworks for the first time, which I've never done before. Thank you for the invite.
Yeah, it'll be a good view if the fog doesn't get in the way.
Yeah, that's true. So Carl the Fog has come to visit us. You can kind of see the Golden Gate Bridge. That's the Golden Gate over there. And we have a giant boat. Yeah.
I'll do white.
The Grill Master.
Go ahead.
America.
America.
America. America.
Not America.
America. Fine America. How are your burgers looking?
Good. Everything else is done. There's already been one batch of burgers off.
I always do this. I put the bun all open, put on my mayo, and then I put the burger on the wrong side. So my burger ends up being upside down.
Glasses is because the frames are so flexible, the lenses pop out a lot.
We're on a boat! It's a sailboat! I ain't got my flippy floppies. I got some tennis shoes. I have to say, this is so cool. I've never really gotten to experience just hanging out on a boat in San Francisco Bay. I've never known anybody who's had a boat out here, so it's kind of neat. I'm very fortunate. My husband jumped in a kayak. I don't know where he is. Hopefully I can find him. We'll see. Oh, thank God. He's still in the kayak. Ugh. Hello! Did you get wet? A little bit? That looks awesome though. Is that an inflatable kayak?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Oh God, don't fall in. Please don't fall in. Please don't fall in. Oh boy. He makes me so nervous. How was your ride?
A little damp.
Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. Yo, I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I really, 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 really wanna zig a zig. Ah. I love this. Some kind of tribute band is playing in San Francisco, and we get to listen from a private sailboat. It's getting dark. Yeah, America. It looks like a hatchet. Yeah! America! Yeah!
That's crazy people swimming.
Look at all the swimmers!
Yeah, see those little lights? Crazy people.
heading home. Bye! Oops. Bye! Say goodnight to the kids for me. Bye-bye! I'll miss you! Did you have a good time? Me too. That was really cool. So I don't know if you can see it, but the Ghirardelli G is the same colors as the Google G. Oh god.